Okay, so let's take a look at how you can install this Artha Thesaurus. So basically this is open source and free thesaurus app that we are going to install for Ubuntu. So first thing, we will just open terminal and type in sudo apt install Artha. So let's wait for it to install. Say yes to 37 MB of additional disk. Now it should install and can access it through show applications. Okay, as you can see, it is installed. We can go to our show applications, check for Artha, and it should load up. As you can see, can be summoned by hotkey Ctrl-Alt-W and it should be launched, right? So basically whenever you wish to call for it, simply select the text of any window and then can simply look up for Artha, right? Or you can also do this Ctrl-Alt-W, right? Click on OK, right? So here you can see we have Artha for, let's see, okay, you can see a lot of interesting words that you can find. Right, so you get the idea how to install Artha, the open thesaurus.